If you lose in this quiz, it'll be really sad, Mohit.
I can guarantee you that you will not be able to answer this question.
क्या पट्टी पे लोग बिजार हो जाते हैं?
हाँ. No, I'm not able to identify any clue.
It's not. But I think
MBS took over.
I really wanted you to be right.
Do you know? Do you know? Oh, do you know? This
Take it.
game show is called Knockout. If you don't know, you get out.
Welcome to a new quizzing game show called Knockout.
In this game show, we are going to fight one-on-one. And we'll see who can knock out whom.
Are you ready, Mohit?
I am ready. Round 1 happens tonight. चल. पढ़ क्या है?
पढ़ के तो नहीं आया हूँ, पर confidence है. पर
I have my weapon.
if you lose in this quiz, it'll be really sad, Mohit. Like technically, tech में तुझे अच्छा होना चाहिए.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. We'll see. We'll see. I have tried to keep questions easy for you. Do you know that?
I have also tried to keep easy.
Question number 1 for you. For 10 points.
Yes.
Otherwise, this bottle
Yes.
is this. This company was founded in 1975 by two childhood friends, Paul Allen and William Dash. They began by writing software for small computers and rose to popularity when they inked a deal to provide the operating system for IBM computers. To fulfill this deal, they bought a software. The name of the software is Quick and Dirty Operating System. They rebranded it and gave it to IBM. Which company are we talking about?
1975 and Paul Allen.
Huh.
से मुझे एक ही याद आ रहा है. Is this Microsoft?
Why do you think this is Microsoft?
Because Paul Allen and Microsoft is related in my head. This can't be wrong. No. No.
For 10-point question, you win 10 points. Good job. I have 2 trivias to share with you.
First, let me just celebrate.
And also you win 10 points.
Guys, मैं इसको इससे 0 पे नहीं जा रही हूँ. Is what I'm happy about.
By the way, I used Paul Allen and William Dash. The real name of Bill Gates is William Henry Gates. Bill is his nickname, pet name.
What?
Yes.
I never knew this.
Okay. So his real name is William Henry Gates the 3. Do you know why this company is called Microsoft?
I'm assuming it's a small software.
It's software for microcomputers. So earlier computers used to like this big. But then personal computers came. They were called microcomputers. So Microsoft is basically software for microcomputers.
Oh, so interesting. मैं बच्चों को लगता था कि कोई soft चीज है. Like when you think Microsoft, the picture that comes in your head is एक बड़ा सा soft सा towel.
Yeah.
I don't know somehow, but yeah.
Okay, and one last thing. They bought a software called Quick and Dirty Operating System.
That was very interesting. Yeah.
And they gave it to IBM after rebranding it. Do you know the software, the name of the software that they rebranded it to?
So it sounds quick and dirty.
Operating system.
No, is this Q basic?
No. By the way, Q basic stands for quick. But try to like acronymize it.
Quick and dirty.
Operating system.
Q MS DOS.
MS DOS. It's Q. They bought the software called QDOS. But then this QDOS actually stood for Quick and Dirty Operating System. So they rebranded it to DOS, which is Microsoft DOS. And they changed the full form to Disk Operating System instead of Dirty Operating System.
Oh.
That is the story of MS DOS.
Now we know what the dirty secret
Yeah.
behind MS DOS is.
So that was my first question and you win 10 points. Jam.
Sure.
Okay.
Easy था. मैं भी थोड़ा easy type से दे रही हूँ. First question.
Okay.
Actually. In 1986, a present-day tech giant launched a colorful merch called the X Collection.
Okay.
Some of the things it includes, apart from the general t-shirt and mugs, were an umbrella, beach towel, Swiss knife, sailboard, a scooter, wine glasses, lunchbox for kids, etc. And a mouse cover for a mouse. This company didn't manufacture all these much, but instead collaborated with brands like Tiffany, Honda, and other manufacturers, saying they make the kind of products we'd make ourselves. What company is this? And this is a bizarre collection considering its present day brand tone.
This is weird. I thought some tech company is coming.
It is a tech company and it has weird merch.
So this tech giant went to these other manufacturers.
Huh.
They said, make these for me,
And add my logo.
add my logo.
Huh.
Because if I would have made them, I would have made them similarly.
The quality of them is so good that if I would have made
But
them,
why would this tech giant make umbrellas?
don't go there. I'll tell you that. उसका भी trivia है.
Is there no other hint about the tech giant?
1986 is a hint. Colorful merch is another hint.
It looks like a video game company.
And bizarre is a hint because present day present day tone is not so colorful and not so loud. It's very minimal.
I don't know. I'll just take a guess, random guess.
I really
I'm-
want you to be right.
I'm
It's a
super
tech
afraid.
giant, Tech giant.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
मैं तो जाना चाहती हूँ, but I want you to answer this.
No, I'm not able to identify any clue. I'll just say Apple.
I really wanted you to be right. And you're right!
I
तो किस hint से समझा?
Oh, nothing. I mean, 1986 was a clue for 1980s की company, and then you said now they're sort of minimal. So there was only one company I could relate to minimal.
I have the photos also. Let me show you. Audience को तो हम screen पे दिखा देंगे. But for you, I brought. This is an umbrella
Wow.
with Apple logo. This is a sailboat
Wow.
with an Apple logo. And this is a director's chair. And this is super bizarre. अलग-अलग companies से collaborated
Wow.
है. Now, good guess. First of all, congratulations on your 10 points. Why 1986? Do you have a guess on why 1986 में उनको merch बनाना पड़ा? Like, what happened?
Is it related to anything to 1984?
नहीं.
Like, no.
It's related to its founders.
Founders.
हाँ.
Somebody turned 30.
क्या 30 पे लोग bizarre हो जाते हैं?
हाँ.
Like, I'll tell you. Like, by 1985, both Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak had left.
Oh.
And they were in a bad situation क्योंकि IBM और Microsoft बहुत सस्ते में computers ला रहे थे. तो they made merch, not primarily for this reason, but I think
MBS took over and made
yeah,
merch.
but I think it did not look like something जो Steve Jobs करते. तो
Cool.
But it was bizarre. Like एक पूरा catalog है इनका. I found it on the Internet Archive. 40 पेज का catalog है of all the products, and I'll show you इसके बाद. I think I'll add for audience also नीचे.
Oh, nice.
Crazy.
So I have 10 points.
You have 10. We have 10 points.
Okay, we have 10 points each.
We are supposed to knock
Give
out
me my
more.
card.
So,
Yeah, give me my card. This is you have just earned it.
oh, acha. Here is
I have
your
my 10
okra.
points. Cool. All right. Question
Good
number
start.
2. Slightly difficult, but for 20 points.
Okay, 20 points?
हाँ धीरे धीरे points बढ़ेंगे ना.
Okay.
Risk भी बढ़ेगा.
Okay.
ठीक है शुरू करें. The core technology behind this was initially developed at Intrinsic Graphics, a gaming company. As a demo of their 3D software, they created a spinning sphere that could be zoomed in and out.
Okay.
However, the demo was popular. Intrinsic wanted to stay focused on gaming. Thus, they created another company called Keyhole to work on the spinning sphere, like to improve the demo. Keyhole acquired some data from governments and other sources and mapped it on the sphere. This product was sold on CDs and was used in defense and intelligence. In 2004, X, another company, acquired Keyhole and launched, using this technology, launched XY.
Okay.
Some product. You have to tell me what product are we talking about. This XY. So the product is called XY, where X is the name of our company and Y is the name of the product.
I'm so blank.
Yeah.
I have no clue what to think about. Show me the question.
I can show you the question, but can you understand my
Your
handwriting?
handwriting is so bad. कितना गंदा लगता है. क्या है चीटिंग जैसा दिखा हुआ है? Product.
There's a gaming company, Intrinsic Graphics. To show that they have very good gaming software, they created a 3D software, 3D sphere in the computer that you can enlarge, shrink, rotate, spin, counterclockwise, clockwise, up, down, like in any way direction. So this demo was popular. Like people said, "Oh my god! Like how crazy is your software that you can do this kind of graphics?" But they wanted to focus on gaming, like creating games and all. This was just a demo for them. So they created one more company, Keyhole, a subsidiary that would focus on improving this sphere. Then this Keyhole added data to this sphere, and this sphere was used in intelligence and defense. Was sold on CDs. Eventually, another company, X, in 2004, acquired it and rebranded this technology and launched XY.
I have no clue.
Okay, visualize a sphere that you can spin.
I can see a globe.
Okay.
कंप्यूटर में ऐसा कुछ सोचो,
Computer
कोई
में।
स्फीयर, कोई गेम में हमने देखा है ये? नहीं, हम यूज करते हैं.
Oh, yeah, we've used it.
We still use it.
We do.
तेरा वीडियो ऐसे क्यों आया? वीडियो
हाँ नहीं, we do.
कुछ ऐसा जो मैं क्लिक कर रही हूँ और कुछ घूम रहा है.
You can rotate this sphere in any direction. So X is the name of the company. So it's like MS-DOS. Microsoft something.
I can't think of anything जैसे घूमता हो कंप्यूटर में except mouse. वो भी ऐसे नहीं
Think of
घूमता.
a sphere. Think of a sphere that rotates in computer. The only sphere that you might have seen.
लोडिंग वाला एक sphere
No,
होता
वो तो सर्कल होता है. Sphere, 3D sphere.
है. कंप्यूटर.
हाँ.
Give me 1 minute.
हाँ. Now I'm out of all the hints. If you don't know, then you don't know.
Like, this happens in our MacBook also.
Yeah.
Have you done it?
This happens on internet. I am ready, Nippo.
I will just go with पर इसका relaunch. See, this happens जब हम maps पे होते हैं.
हाँ.
Earth को हम पूरा देख सकते हैं.
हाँ.
I will just say Google Earth, but I really have no other guess. Google Earth.
Man, you're
Google Maps.
so close. And you were right with Google Earth. Chal, you win. Yes. So they created a spherical Earth that you can rotate, and that was a very popular demo.
Oh my!
You can rotate, zoom in, zoom out. That is the only sphere you have seen.
और मैं बोल रही हूँ globe.
हाँ.
Globe भी दिख रहा है.
हाँ.
और मैं जब ये सोचा तो फिर मुझे
Oh man, कोई बात नहीं.
it's scared.
20 points.
So Google bought it.
Google bought it and launched Google Earth.
Oh, so
XY.
X was
Google.
अच्छा, Y तो कोई कंपनी नहीं थी. मैं ये
हाँ.
तो सोच रही कि Earth तो कोई कंपनी नहीं है, but
हाँ.
Y
Earth is a product. After the acquisition,
हाँ.
they bought a spherical software, but they launched Google Maps first.
Oh.
Google Maps was launched first. Now Google Maps is used by billions of people. And only months later, this was a add-on to Google Maps. Oh, there's a 3D version of Maps also. So that's how Google Earth came in. So they bought a version of Google Earth, but used that to first launch polished Google Maps and then eventually Google
Be
Earth.
a part of. तभी तूने अर्थ जब रॉन्ग बोला तो ऐसे मैप्स.
हाँ.
क्योंकि मुझे लगा मैप्स का
हाँ.
पार्ट होता है. Scared me.
Okay, so you have 20 points. Total points 30. Cool.
अभी तक जरूरत नहीं पड़ी ऐसे यूज करने की. Maybe.
अब पड़ जाएगी शायद.
My question for 20 points is, this guy
Okay.
was a former employee of Apple and he joined it when it was just had 25 employees. He worked very closely with Steve Jobs and helped grow the company to 4,000 employees. But he
Okay.
left Apple
Oh.
and founded a company, Y, in 1982.
Okay.
You don't have to tell me why. Abhi. This company, Y, made a game in 1991
Okay.
which is very nostalgic for 90s kids like us. The game's name is also a term for skin injury.
Skin injury.
Skin injury. The game takes place in a number of Californian settings, including Grass Valley, the Sierra Nevada, Napa Valley, and Pacific Coast Highway. Which game is it? And bonus if you know the guy's name and company name, but which game is this? Which is very nostalgic for 90s kids.
Okay, so I have to go back in my childhood. Settings के
हाँ.
हाँ.
कैलिफोर्नियन सेटिंग्स के नाम है ग्रास वैली, सियरा नेवाडा, नापा वैली.
Sierra Nevada, I have played some game with Sierra Nevada. Some car game, racing game.
नापा वैली, पैसिफिक कोस्ट हाईवे.
Oh, I think I know. बाकी नहीं पता, बस Sierra Nevada and Napa Valley. I think they were both stages in Road Rash. What is the name of the company?
The name of the company is Electronic Arts.
EA.
ये I did not know. तो मुझे लगा था कि कोई बहुत पॉपुलर कंपनी है, मैं इतनी गेमिंग में नहीं हूँ, तो इसलिए मैंने नाम छुपा दिया. And this guy is Trip Hawkins. I thought you might know him, that's why I did not reveal the name.
Okay.
But Road Rash it is, and Napa Valley was what मुझे लगा कि गिव अवे हो सकता है, मुझे नापा वैली से याद था. And I thought you'll not answer it, so I'll give you that Road Rash.
पहले मैं कार्ड दे.
Here you go.
I'm-
here also you go. And this interesting part कि वो पहले एप्पल के एम्प्लॉय थे, तो वो सब मुझे स्टोरी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगी. एंड उस समय ना ये बहुत बूम हो रहा था, तो ही एक्चुअली रिकॉग्नाइज की डेवलपर्स एंड प्रोग्रामर्स दीज आर ऑल सॉफ्टवेयर आर्टिस्ट्स इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक.
Beautiful.
एंड इट्स अ वेरी फेमस कंपनी. मुझे
It is very famous company.
NFS भी उन्होंने पब्लिश करा
And
है.
then there's cricket. Like EA has too many games.
Too many games. Yeah, I realize it's a
EA, it's in the game.
Okay, Road Rash. It is. If you also played Road Rash, please comment करके ऐसे बताओ. We just feel like we are not too old.
Cool.
But yeah.
Cool.
So 30-30 each.
30 each. And now we are going in the deeper waters now.
Okay.
Okay. I can guarantee you that you will not be able to answer this question.
Okay.
But when I'll tell you the answer, you'll say, oh. Okay. Two brothers, Paul and Joseph Galvin, founded X, originally as Galvin Manufacturing Company. Like they used their last name. Paul wanted a brand name. Now they were making products. So Paul wanted a brand name for their new car radio and thus created the name X.
Okay.
So two co-founders founded a company, Galvin Manufacturing Company. Then they wanted to make a product. The product was a car radio. So they thought of a brand name. The brand name was X. Okay. X, the product, became so popular, so famous that they changed their entire company's name to X.
Oh.
So they changed Galvin Manufacturing Company to this X. Later, X would create many technological breakthroughs, including the world's first two-way pager. So pager, you know, pager used to be one way. Like somebody can send you some message and then you have to go rush back and call this other person. So this was the company who launched the world's first two-way pager,
Okay.
which was precursor to mobile phones eventually.
खत्म.
Yeah. What company is this? I'll give you a big hint. You should emphasize on the first product, which was very famous.
Yeah.
Car radio.
Oh.
Okay. Because for that car radio, they thought of this brand name, which became the company's name. So you have to think of car and radio.
Two-way pager से तूने confuse करा मुझे.
And this was just additional thing. This company is also into like other technological breakthroughs.
Oh.
But focus on like what would you name a company? Like think of all the popular company names. Think what could have been a car radio.
Car radio.
Yeah. Basically, some word related to car and some word related to radio.
I'm getting that.
They combined like these two synonyms of these two things together.
Cardio.
No, and made this very popular technology company.
Intel, IBM, Google.
Think of some synonyms for car.
Car के synonyms.
Yeah.
Car, vehicle, transport. Two-word company है.
It's one word है. Like the parts of it are made of two words.
I really don't know. मैं बस ऐसे ही बोल देती हूँ, पर मैं नहीं सोच पा रही हूँ कुछ.
Okay.
I mean, I'm wrong, but मुझे regret होगा मैंने guess नहीं लिया. एक car radio company that's very famous is Harman, but I'm pretty sure it's wrong.
It's wrong.
It's wrong. It's wrong. So good. I wish he does not answer next question. इतना बदला है होंगे. What is it? Tell me the answer.
Okay. So car. This name is made of two words. ठीक है? Car, motor car. Can you think of something?
Motor car.
Motor. And then
Rola.
it's Motorola. So it's made of motor and Ola from Victrola. Victrola was a famous gramophone that would play music.
But I've guessed from motor.
Motor.
I never went to motor. Oh no, मैं BlackBerry मेरा pager से मैं BlackBerry पे हो गई थी.
ऐसा ही हुआ एक्चुअली में उस two-way pager के बाद full keyboard pager आया, then BlackBerry came and finally Android and OS, the smartphones of today.
Oh, motor.
I wish I could give you this
You
card.
were so brutal with this, but okay, I'll
This
take it.
game show is called Knockout. If you don't know, you get out.
Okay. Question for you
30 points.
for 30 points.
Cool.
Okay, this is the timeline of X. You have to identify X.
ठीक है.
1971. Ray Tomlinson is generally recognized as sending the first X. 1976. Queen Elizabeth II became the first head of state to SendX. 1976, Jimmy Carter's presidential campaign became the first to use X for internal communication. In India, in 1986, a dial-up link for X exchange was set up between NCST Bombay and IIT Bombay. And in 1991, the first X was sent from space. What is X?
From space?
Yes.
Why to tell you X?
Yes.
What are people sending? So talking of sending, I can only think of one thing that we send. But Queen confused me in 1970s. I'm not sure. But you're talking of internet, dial-up link, dial-up and sending. I'll take a guess. I think I'm there, but I'll take a guess. Is it email? Electronic mail?
You're right!
Oh यार! डरा क्यों रहा है?
It is email.
हाँ.
So Queen Elizabeth was the first head of state जिन्होंने
Wow.
भेजा Queen Elizabeth II.
उस जमाने में email था.
Yes, and मुझे ये इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कभी कि इंडिया में कब आया.
हाँ.
तो वो नहीं बोलते and you would know this better as a techie कि ARPANET was what was used
हाँ,
first.
हाँ.
In India they made EARNet.
Arnet.
In 1986, and all these government agencies, 5 IITs, IISc, NCST, DOE, ये सब आए, and they made EARNet, and that's in 1986, the
Wow.
first internet in India.
Cool.
But you were right, and this कि email हमें outer space से भी आता,
हाँ.
but yeah, our astronaut sent it.
Very cool.
You were right.
Give him my 30 points.
You get your 30 points.
So I am at 60. And you are at?
40.
30.
30.
Are you ready for difficult question?
Yeah.
40 points question is here. Founded in 1889 by craftsman Fusajiro Yamauchi. I'm sure I'm butchering the name, but this company initially produced handmade playing cards. Since then, they have ventured into various businesses. And in 1977, so we have come from 1889 to 1977, very recent, they launched a gaming console called Color TV Game. Okay. It gained international recognition with the release of Donkey Kong in 1981. They released a gaming console, then they released a game called Donkey Kong. Then in 1985, they took a character from that game called Jumpman and made it into an extremely popular game. What company are we talking about? Do you know? Do you know? Oh, do you know? Do you know? Do you know?
I know.
Okay, what gave it away?
First, the Japanese name.
Okay.
I can think of 2 Japanese techie company. And second was the last one. Because I know we watched a movie long time back.
Oh, yes, we
We
have.
watched a movie long time back.
We have.
अब कोई बताया होगा, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा.
हाँ.
This is Nintendo.
It is Nintendo. Here are your 40 points.
और ये मुझे गेमिंग कंपनी तूने ही बताई है बहुत टाइम पहले.
By the way, do you know Nintendo, besides Mario, also own one of a very popular franchisee called Pokemon.
Oh.
Pokemon is a phenomena that Nintendo owns. Also, in Universal Studios Japan, there's a Super Nintendo World where there are rides from the games of Nintendo.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So nice.
Alright, so you are at 70 points. Good job, Nippu.
Thanks. My question for you for 40 points, and I'm waiting. I'm dying to use this on you. Okay, this is an image from a newspaper. Okay, the headline reads: Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks.
I already know the answer.
Oh no, I knew. Let me read the question. This line comes from the headline of London Times newspaper of 3rd January 2009. This line is now historic because it was encoded into the first dash, and this act created something which back then was worth nothing but is pretty high on value now. And I knew Mohit Mamoria is not the right person to ask this, but chance लिया मैंने.
And he kept this question of 40 points.
I didn't know कि हम points जुड़ाने वाले हैं.
This is Bitcoin.
Kill me. And And it was called, no, you explained to me, it was called Genesis block, which was, I think, the first ever.
Genesis block is like, in blockchain world, there are many blocks, like pages of notebook. So Genesis block is the first ever block, like
Block zero.
block zero, like this is genesis of this thing. The guy who creates this, or guy or girl,
Or them.
who knows, somebody called Satoshi Nakamoto wanted to prove that today is the date when the software is running. The best way to prove it is कि आज के न्यूज़पेपर में हेडलाइन उसके अंदर डाल दूं to prove that this code is running today. Because if I would have run it yesterday, I would not have access to it.
Okay. Of course I knew Mohit.
Good job.
What good job.
No, this was brilliant. But I am at 100 points now. You are at 70.
I'm at 70.
My last question of the day.
Please, मैं 100 पार हो जाऊँ.
It's the most difficult question. Worth 50 points.
Okay.
But I'm sure if you just spend 1 minute with the question, you'll be able to crack it. The twins, Winklevoss brothers, are known for co-founding Harvard Connection, later renamed Connect U. They are twin brothers who created Harvard Connection. The twins
I think I also know this.
You know this? The question is not even over yet. The twins claimed they had hired fellow Harvard student Mark Zuckerberg to work on their project. Or now you don't know.
You can't give me Mark Zuckerberg FO50.
They alleged that Zuckerberg delayed working on Harvard Connection while developing his own site, which would become Facebook. Do you even know my question? So this matter was eventually settled in 2008. And Facebook had to pay $65 million to the twins. So twins took that money and bought X. They spent this money in buying something called X. Eventually, the value of X grew so much that they became known as X billionaires. What is X?
Guys, बीच में ब्लैक आया होगा क्योंकि मेरा फोन की स्टोरेज फुल हो गई थी और कैमरा बंद हो गया था.
ज्यादा नहीं हुआ, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ. हाँ, फटाफट से बता देते हैं.
कुछ सूझा नहीं कुछ.
तो निपुण को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, तो आई हैव मेड अ ट्रेड, मेड अ डील विद निपुण. तो डील इज, अगर वो एक जोरदार स्प्रे खा लेगी तो आई विल गिव वन गुड हिंट. So Nipun, what do you say?
And just one context for audience. मुझे twins बोल के मुझे Facebook सूट चला था, but apparently Facebook तो question पे गया.
हाँ.
Okay, I'll take a spray.
I'll take a spray.
But you only give one spray, okay?
कितना?
एक ही दिखना.
अच्छे से लगा नहीं यार.
No, what? I just said one spray. You know one spray.
This was for the storage full.
Justice for Nip. Okay, storage full is a.
हाँ नहीं ठीक है. All cool.
अब दे दे hint.
Okay, so this is poetic phrase because the first letter of the first word is same as the first letter of the second word.
It starts with B.
B.
The bubble is not the answer. एक 2008-2009 से बस कंफ्यूज हो रही हूँ मैं.
हाँ.
पर अगर बिलियनर बने, then this has to be. It has to be what I asked you. Is this Bitcoin?
It is Bitcoin. It needs Bitcoin. Oh man, this is so funny that just her last question was
about Bitcoin.
Bitcoin, and this my question was.
I don't know. I kept it because मुझे पता था risky है. But मैं इस चाहती थी कि तू ना आंसर करे तो तू बुरा फील करे कि अरे मुझे Bitcoin नहीं हुआ. But anyway, I answered Bitcoin.
But Bitcoin was that thing that they bought.
So crazy.
They became billionaires from that $65 million. So your score now is 120.
20.
Good
I'm going with 100 plus.
Yeah.
पहले मैं कुश्ती में 0 नहीं हूँ. But now I'm going with 100 plus. And if you answer this, you will be you're at 100, you'll get 150.
Yes.
And if you don't.
So this is my make or break question.
If you don't.
I'll be knocked out.
Yes. Okay, my question to you is...
Last question.
Worth
question.
50 points. Worth 50 points.
Okay.
Audience, I think you'll also love this. X is a multinational conglomerate primarily into defense technology. Started in 1939, it ran a grand expo from 1939 to 1974. This expo was world-renowned for exhibition of futuristic tech and innovation. Probably the best expo, but discontinued in 1974. But in 2010, it got its first female CEO. Its iconic building was renamed in 2014 to serve as headquarters of one of the world's most important teams. Which tech giant is this? Probably the coolest tech giant out there.
Wow, I have no idea. पेंटागन लग रहा है पर
Probably the coolest. Probably the world's most important team. Probably the world's grandest expo.
So एक मुझे एक्सपो याद आ रहा है जो टेक में होता है वो CES होता है, पर किसी कंपनी ऐसा नहीं है यार। एक्सपो में इमेजिन करता हूँ ना, मुझे पिक्चरें याद आती हैं एक्सपो में, वो स्टार कॉन्फ्रेंस होती थी हमारे, ओ स्टार्क इंडस्ट्रीज। Oh God, man, you brought in fictional question.
And I did not write the word fictional.
हाँ.
Because I thought कि मैं लिख दूँ कि तो पक्का स्टार्क या वेन इंडस्ट्रीज में जाएगा तू, बट मैंने इसलिए ऐसे लिखा है अनरियलिस्टिक कि probably the coolest, probably the world's most important team, the grandest expo.
Yes.
Just to show
1939 उसके पापा करते थे उस टाइम पे एक्सपो.
And then 2010 में
Pepper Potts. Pepper Potts became the CEO. In 2014 में वो Avenger Tower.
Yes. And I knew, I had a clue कि तू कर लेगा, पर अगर तू नहीं करता,
ओह तो क्या मजे आते
हैं, क्या लालच होती है ना मार्वल फैन,
क्या मजे आते हैं
स्टार इंडस्ट्रीज दे बना. But yeah, anyways, I am at 120.
150 monster.
Congratulations Mohit. Anyway, अगर पर हम ऐसे मतलब स्कोर ना रखे तो मैंने 4 out of 5 तो कर दिए थे ना.
हाँ.
Good one Mohit. I hate to say this, but I give you the chance to put infinite sprays on me right now.
No, I'll not.
Go ahead.
No.
कर दे यार.
I'm a nice human being. I'll not do it.
अच्छा
No.
nice. तब तो कितने मारे थे.
This is just round 1. That's why.
That's true.
We have second round as well.
That's true.
Yeah. And this is best of 3. अगर second round तू जीत गया तो we'll have round 3, the knockout round.
More fierce.
This was just round 1, Nippo.
Yeah.
There's round 2.
I'll see you there.
If I win then तब मारूंगा ना spray. अभी नहीं.
मैं भी मार लूंगी.
I have only won the battle, not the war.
It's true. So I'll see him in round 2.
Yeah. Top topic अगर if you have some interesting topics वो हमें comments में बता दो.
ये हम दोनों की थोड़ी इंटरेस्ट के थे तो इसमें लड़ने में मजा आती है.
हाँ.
अगर गलत आंसर करते ना
हाँ.
तो बहुत मजा आती है. एनीवे मोटे बोला.
So we'll see you in round 2 in the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye.